Hello guys, this is Shiela Piet, and for today's video I will be cooking a chicken arroz caldo with oatmeal. Let's start this dish by frying the chicken wings. Make sure to cook the chicken until the outer parts turn light brown in color. Move the chicken to the side and start sauteing the garlic and the lemongrass. Next is to add some ginger powder, but you can also use fresh ginger if you have. And now it's time to add the leftover rice, but you can also use uncooked rice, but the process will be a little bit longer. I'm also adding 2 cups of oatmeal. Stir properly before you add the chicken stock. I am adding 1 liter of chicken stock and 2 cups of water. The amount of water will depend on the consistency of the dish. Make sure to stir every few minutes while cooking until the desired consistency is achieved. And to make my arroz caldo yellow, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You can also use saffron flour if you have. And I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And just give it a good mix. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Cover and let it cook. This will take about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. And while waiting for our arroz caldo to be cooked, let's go to the garden and let's harvest some calamansi. They're tiny but they're juicy. And now let's slice the calamansi. And I'm also slicing the egg. The arroz caldo is ready! And now let's transfer it to a bowl. And to make it more tasty and more attractive, top with boiled eggs, calamansi, and toasted garlic. And before you serve the dish, you can also drizzle it with sesame oil. Arroz caldo literally translates to hot rice or rice stew. This Filipino rice porridge is a great representation of Philippine history, as this dish is a combination of Spanish and Chinese influences. Though Spanish by name, it's very similar to Chinese congee. And here's my chicken arroz caldo with oatmeal. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching!